Water retention, often noticeable through bloating and weight gain, is the body's response to various factors like hormones or environment and can usually be managed through diet, exercise, and preventative habits unless caused by an underlying disease. To help control water weight, it is recommended to reduce sodium intake by limiting processed and restaurant foods, while increasing consumption of potassium-rich foods like bananas and figs, and aiming for 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily by incorporating whole grains and fresh produce. Crucially, maintaining hydration by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily helps flush out sodium and other causes of retention. However, excessive caffeine and alcohol should be avoided as they are diuretics that can lead to dehydration and bloating. Furthermore, staying active is vital, particularly for preventing fluid accumulation in the legs. So remember to move around frequently, exercise for at least 30 minutes a day to break a sweat, and consider taking vitamins A and C to strengthen capillaries.